Welcome back to Top 5 Tray. Today we're diving into the CMF Phone 2 Pro by Nothing. Promises a blend of design, performance, and customization. Let's explore what it brings to the table. Remember, all the products featured in this video will be linked down in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out if you're interested. The CMF Phone 2 Pro is here, and it's shaping up to be one of the most unique mid-range smartphones of the year. This phone combines customizable hardware with practical performance, aiming to bring value and style in one package. In this video, we'll cover every important detail you need to know before making a decision, from design to performance, battery life, camera, and the features that actually set it apart. Let's start with the design. The Phone 2 Pro stands out the moment you see it. It's slim at 7.8 mm thick and weighs about 185 grams, so it feels light and easy to handle. The rear panel comes in bold colors, including a standout orange option, and supports a modular system that lets you attach accessories like a magnetic wallet, a stand, or a strap. These are small additions, but they add real functionality to everyday use. On the front, there's a 6.77-inch AMOLED display with FHD Plus resolution, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 3000 nits. That's a big deal, especially for outdoor usage. The screen stays bright, clear, and responsive. Scrolling and swiping feel smooth, and colors are sharp without being oversaturated. Under the hood, the CMF Phone 2 Pro runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro, a capable 6nm processor built for balance. It's paired with 8 GB of LPDDR4 XRAM and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is decent at this price point. It handles daily multitasking, gaming, and app switching without stutter. For casual and mid-level users, the performance holds up really well. Software-wise, you're getting Nothing OS 3.2, built on top of Android 15. This OS is designed to be clean, responsive, and free from bloat. There are no duplicate apps or heavy skins. Everything feels minimal and polished. One highlight is the Essential Space, a feature tied to the physical Essential button on the side. With one press, it gives you access to your notes, recent photos, voice memos, or any quick tool you assign. It's a simple idea, but it works well in practice. Let's talk about the cameras. On the back, you get a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP 2.8 telephoto lens, and an 8MP ultra-wide camera. That's a strong setup for a mid-range phone. The main sensor performs well in daylight with good detail and natural colors. The telephoto lens provides decent zoom without much loss in quality, and the ultra-wide is good enough for landscape or group shots, though it's slightly softer at the edges. On the front, you've got a 16MP camera, which works well for selfies and video calls. Video recording supports 4K at 30 frames per second, and the footage looks stable and clean. There's also electronic image stabilization that helps in handheld shots. Overall, it's a reliable camera system for the price. Not a photography beast, but more than enough for social media and everyday use. Battery life is another strong point. You're getting a 5000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day, even with heavy screen time. CMF claims up to 22 hours of video playback, and in real-world use, that seems close. For charging, it supports 33W wired fast charging using USB Type-C. It doesn't support wireless charging, but at this price, that's not really expected. In terms of connectivity, you get 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC for things like Google Pay. It also has dual SIM support, and the fingerprint sensor is embedded under the display. Audio-wise, there are stereo speakers with decent volume and clarity. It's not flagship-level sound, but it holds up well for videos and games. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, you deserve the best and nothing less, so be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Trust me, out of your top 5 best decisions, this is definitely going to be one of them. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped you make an informed decision. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, peace out.